G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's August 20th, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. First off, you can see here the price has been fluctuating in this range for some time between the 30.50 and the 20.65 levels of support and resistance. And it has actually broken up and hit this resistance area and bounced back down again. So you can see there the CCI is falling back down, along with the Stochastic is in the oversold territory. Let's blow that up a bit. You can see that even the Stochastic is sort of weakening as well again. So we're stuck in that range and no clear sign of breaking out of this resistance area anytime soon, although it came close there. Now we do have a positive bullish momentum or expectation, I should say, in the coming, well, possibly days or even weeks. It's hard to say because there's no clear sign on the, you can see there on the daily, we've got this bullish CCI versus the bearish price movement to the downside and sideways, and the CCI is still moving up. And we need to see the CCI break much lower below that level there to invalidate it. So in which case, if that happens, the price will break below this this support level at 20.65, as I said. So in the short term, we're expecting it to break above this resistance. Now, again, there's no clear sign of it doing that anytime soon, although it came close in the last week or two. But looking at the hourly, it has broken through this 61% since our last video, and that's a key area to look out for. Whenever it breaks below the 61% of any Fibonacci range, it's generally a sign of a continuation or a break of the trend. In this case, it was going up. Had it bounced from there, and it looked like it did try to bounce from there, had it bounced from there, it would have been a continuation of the uptrend. In this case, it's broken through that, and it looks like it's making further declines closer to the 78% at least, and it may even approach this descending diagonal trend line. You'll notice the CCI as well. We did draw a bearish divergence on the CCI versus the price here, and it hit our target early on, and it's actually retraced it much further than that. And these divergences don't always go that far. Sometimes they just retrace back to this short. That's why I always choose the closest Fibonacci range. These divergences usually just retrace and then continue in the direction they were going. But in this case, it's broken right through the 61% and heading even further to the downside. Likewise, the Stochastic is breaking further below its midpoint of the 50 and heading down. So all indications are going in the bearish momentum at the moment. And if it continues much further, it may come and rest on this descending diagonal trend line. So to understand how to trade some of the divergent strategies, but also trend trading strategies, support us more on the Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies, and commodities. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.